It's been long time I have been continuously practicing English, and what I noticed in me that I always focus on mistakes, right? What I am speaking right now. And I think to create long video, but I end up thinking that I can't. Why? Because I am making mistakes. I am not at pro it. How do I react? How do I feel while facing the camera? And I always make awkward faces, and it happens with every single person, I think. So people, I just want to say you that if you have that kind of skill that you do anything and you don't have perfection, then don't go for perfection. I think you should go for trial, and you should go for practicing again and again by attempting the such things, and this is how you will get the perfection, right? So perfection is not a single day game, right? It doesn't happen in overnight. You have to practice a lot by speaking in front of camera, whatever your skill is, right? So my skill is I just love speaking English, and I am focusing on my this skill. So I am just waiting for the perfection, that the day would come when I speak efficiently, perfectly. Then only I upload myself on camera, and I am going to upload my vlog and all. This is I am continuously procrastinating uploading my content. But today I thought that it's okay, howsoever will be the recording turn out, I'm not going to stop myself, and just want to check what is the level of mine. If I fumble, it's okay. If I get stuck, it's okay. If I stammer a lot, it's okay. But I just want to see myself raw, and this is how I just am to going to record myself again and again, and I will check my growth, that what the level is right now of mine, and what will be the level of mine in upcoming months and years. So this is how we can check and track our progress. So I'm thinking the same, and I'm just recording myself right now. I'm recording myself at 3 minutes of recording only I'm doing, but later on I will be recording myself more and more in one go without fumbling. And yes, I will accept it if I fumble, if I do mistake, but definitely I will going to upload it. But I have that issue that uh, sound would be good and perfect. If I don't feel that okay, I'm not going to be heard by people very efficiently, so I will check it and I will go for it. Otherwise, I will record myself as raw as possible. This is going to give me a confidence, and I feel that whosoever is watching me through this video will going to get a confidence and motivation through me, because I'm just getting that appreciation from people, that the day when I started and now the day I have practiced along with my years of experience, I am just getting appreciation. So I think